Sunday afternoon. Next week is SEMA, so Royalty Exotics is having their third car show. So we're gonna go hit breakfast at Cracker Barrel and then head over there. I think it starts around 4 to 8. So you know, check it out. I don't know that we'll be there the whole time. We got some other stuff to do, but definitely, since it's a you know, supercar event, we're gonna take the cheddar wedge out for sure, and you know, probably get you some other footage. I looked online. I didn't really see anything from anybody else that's been to the first couple car shows. Even the stuff on Royalty's site kind of sucks. So get you some good coverage. Should be pretty good. So see you in a few. So we just made it out to Exotic Rentals, and it's a pretty good turnout. Beautiful weather, and brought the cheddar wedge. So you know, I always like getting pictures of people taking pictures of my car. So or video in this case, but we'll go around because there's actually aside from all the Lusso vehicles, there looks like there's a couple more. There's a Ventador S, looks like a twin turbo. You know, bumper delete. Houston's got the Bugatti out. You know, of course they pulled all that red wrap off, so it's back to black and white. And I don't know, I personally think it looks better like that. So, and then I believe his Lotus is done, because that's what he kept posting online, that he was going to have the Lotus finished and have it out here before SEMA. So we'll see. Supercar row. And of course, I'm not always impressed with all of these, because these are just Houston's rentals. So they're at like Expresses and Exotics and stuff almost every single week. I'm not saying white, but that's probably my next car. Well, that is, of course, if I don't win the McLaren Stradman's given out. Yeah, and the CTS V-Wagon. This thing's over at Expresses and Exotics all the time too. Just sounds sick. I don't know, cheddar wedge looks like it fits right in. People like it. Like I said, man, it's a classic car, classic design that is never gonna go out of style. I mean, just look at it. Oh no, it's yeah, it's in, yeah, it's nice. So glad you like it, because I know Houston's, yeah, because I know Houston's got his one that you've now bastardized and torn apart.
Sure did.
I'll get some vlog shit.
Yeah, no worries.
But yeah, I love it. Yeah, I talked to Lusso. I was gonna get the film. I mean, because you know, this is old school. Back when they were doing it, that was when they were doing them in, you know, panels when you got the cuts and stuff. But I'd be afraid to pull it out. Yeah, I went down there and talked to them.
Okay, yeah, we work with them a lot.
Yeah,
they wrapped up Bugatti. They do a lot.
Yeah, they did. I mean, other than them, or
I try to stick to our local.
Yeah.
I do the bits, try to get all the bits to our local.
Yeah, the only thing, so were you guys were in the, you guys went where that barbecue place is in California, where all the parts are. That's the same guy that's online on eBay.
Yeah, same guy on eBay.
Because I want to get, he had this. He had this in orange. He had the glove box and the little glove.
I think I might.
He's got the glove.
I have some of that stuff.
He's got the glove box and the other, and they're both in orange.
Yeah. Oh man, I love this color. That's so pretty.
Man, if only they had a backup camera. I know, it's the whole dash.
The whole display.
The whole display is a backup camera. Houston, how was Italy?
Well, it was nice. It was demanding. Let me just put it that way.
There's man. I brought my orange one out.
Of course, I remember. Yeah. I actually thought you came earlier, like 2 weeks ago, the exact same cars that were sitting there a lot, and I was like, wow, it looks really good. You know?
Yeah,
I love that
the last
car.
one I was out of town and just couldn't make it. This one I was supposed to be out also. You gonna have the other car ready for SEMA or? Yeah, it didn't look like it.
Nope. Almost done. It's 80%, and I was, well, what I wanted to have ready is 80%. I might go pick it up just to have it, but basically the front suspension is not done. Everything in the rear is done, the front suspension is not done, so I just kind of, not ghetto rigged, but I manufactured a way to use that alpha suspension to put my wheels on. So I haven't decided yet. So, yeah. I was gonna turn my office into a SEMA. So many people come through there, it's free, and it's the same. I get the same action, so it'll be fun. It's so fun. So I'm glad you brought your car. It's great.
Yeah. Get some footage, post it up. I didn't know they are having a tourist out here. I'm gonna check this thing out.
So know this, know that everything's cool. And yes, I will be present on the first day of school and graduation. I'm Miss Jackson.
New SUV?
Yeah.
Come on. It's like 600 horsepower.
Is it off-road capable?
Well, for a little while.
You're talking to the
It's off-road capable for a little while.
Yeah.
Once you go off-road until the inertia stops, yeah, you're good.
Can it climb where my truck can climb? Would we take it in Rocky Gap?
Again, with enough speed, yes.
Would we take it in Rocky Gap?
You wouldn't get out, but yeah, you could. That's one of their new rentals. That was one of the ones they just got. wagon. Oh, there's Pam's Viper, so you know where she's going. You know where she's headed. Yeah, I was really hoping I was going to win that ACR, but some douchebag in freaking Massachusetts got it instead. Yeah, she comes here in a Lamborghini, but I bring her here in a Lamborghini and she don't care. She's a Viper girl.
Look at that one. No, this.
Now that's a Lang. Yeah, he's out at Expresses and Exotics all the time. Clearly, the nicest car here. Absolutely. Take it away. So, as I was just informed, these wheels are what, 20 grand? And they're brushed
cadmium or something like that.
So those are not coated. That is the actual metal.
Giving a microphone so I can bust like a bubble. Nothing at home beats together, nigga, you'll be in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G-bag, baby. Two low death niggas, so we're crazy. Death row in the label that pays me.
I figured I'd get some video from this angle behind the Bugatti Mansory kit. And many people know, you know, that kit, just the body, $1 million, car, $1 million, so 2 point something million, but this was a good deal. Turnout. again, I went online last time, check out their first car show because I missed it. The second car show, I was out of town. This one, I was supposed to be out of town. So actually a pretty good turnout. So there you go. See how the side vents are on a 570 on the doors, and then the. That's all.
Tight.
A little close.
You were
Even though it's half a car.
You were, yeah. Horrible.
So they'll let anybody into this place. I got Brian, my tinner, from Smart Film Window Tinting. All the pictures I posted, all the cars that I've had tinted, he's done every single one. He's official in Vegas on Patrick and Eastern. What's the Park 2000 complex? Or
Eastern Commerce Center.
Eastern Commerce Center, Suite
14B.
All right, there you go. So.
Phone number for you is 702-358-0039.
Yep, and I'll post the links and everything, as everybody says, down below. Little DDE shenanigans.
One more behind you.
Hey Token, thanks for cutting in front. Appreciate it. There you go. Yeah, once again. Yeah, there you go. Whatever. I mean, it's just a Nissan. Who cares about those, right?
I got the best. I got the most rarest Nissan.
Well, I don't know, man.
More specific. No, we have a right-hand drive car.
Huh?
So we have a little right-hand drive car.
I know.
Once again, I didn't say it already. That's the best car yet.